With Congo Square being located directly next to the French Quarter, people of European descent were introduced to West African musical traditions earlier on into New Orleans' founding. All the while, European musical traditions also became popular in the French Quarter, including performances of opera, ballet, and marching bands. Let's dig a little deeper into this Afro-European fusion of New Orleans brass bands with the help of our own band, which I understand got bigger since the last time we saw them. I wonder, what new instruments do you think we might see next? Oh yes! Trumpets, trombones, clarinets, saxophones, and of course, snare and bass drums, all of which are European instruments. As African American and Creole musicians gained greater access to these instruments following the U.S. Civil War, they formed their own brass bands, which are essentially a shrunken down marching band.